going to discuss the unit mensuration or act of measuring. Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometrical figures and their parameters like length, volume, area, etc. First we discuss the perimeter of the figure. Perimeter is a distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when you go round the figure at once. Here, very important point is the figure must be closed. Here is a figure ABCD. The perimeter of the figure ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD or DA. That is equal to AB is 5 cm plus BC is 3 cm plus CD is 5 cm plus AD is 3 cm. So the perimeter of the figure ABCD is 10 plus 6 is 16 cm. Next example is to find the perimeter of this closed figure. P is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FA. That is equal to AB is 40 meter plus BC is 70 meter plus CD is 20 meter plus DE is 5 meter plus EF is 10 meter plus FA is 20 meter. That is equal to 165 meter is the perimeter of this closed figure. So to find the perimeter of the closed figure, add the sides of the figure. Here is a rectangle ABCD. AB and DC is equal and BC and AD is equal. AB and CD is length of rectangle and BC and CD is the breadth of rectangle. So perimeter of the rectangle P is equal to L plus L plus B plus B, that is breadth plus breadth, that is equal to L plus L is 2L plus B plus B is 2B. 2 is the common, so 2 into L plus B. That is the perimeter of rectangle. So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. First example of perimeter of this rectangle ABCD. L is equal to, length is equal to 15 cm and breadth is equal to 9 cm. So the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 2 into L plus B. That is equal to 2 into 15 plus 9. That is equal to 2 into 24 equal to 48 cm. So the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 48 cm. Perimeter of regular shapes. Regular shapes are 2D shapes where sides and angles measures same. First we discuss the regular shape example square. Perimeter of square. The specification of square is all sides are equal. So P is equal to L plus L plus L plus L. That is equal to 4L. So the perimeter of square is equal to 4 into length, 4L. Here is the example. AB, BC, CD, AD is equal to 2 meter. So the perimeter of square is equal to 4L. That is equal to 4 into 2. That is 8 centimeter. The perimeter of this figure, closed figure ABCD or square is equal to 8 centimeter. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle whose 3 sides are equal. So this is another regular shape. The perimeter of this equilateral triangle P is equal to L plus L plus L, because 3 sides are equal. That is equal to 3L. 3 into L. Here one side or 3 sides are L is equal to 4 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 3L. That is equal to 3 into 4 centimeter. That is equal to 12 centimeter. The perimeter of this equilateral triangle is 12 centimeter. Next, find out the perimeter of regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides, means 6 sides are equal. So the perimeter of this hexagon is equal to P is equal to 6 into L, because all the 6 sides are equal. That is equal to 6 into 4 sides is 3 centimeter. So L is equal to 3 centimeter. That is equal to 6 into 3, 18 centimeter. The perimeter of this regular hexagon is equal to 18 centimeter. In this way, you can find the perimeter of any regular closed figure or regular polygon. Thank you.